Hey, in Photoshop today, I'm going to show you how to create a film halation effect like you see on screen here with this image of three horses running. It's pretty easy to do. What a film halation effect is basically a photographic effect that occurs when light scatters within a film's emulsion layers. So it's going to cause a soft glow around the brighter areas as you see here on screen. Now let's go ahead and just break this down. There's 3 layers total. I'm going to delete my top 2. So this is our original image. First thing I want to do though is let's go ahead and duplicate that background image or that image we brought in, and I just dragged it down to my new layer button down here. I could have pressed Command J for the keyboard shortcut, but let's rename this to image, and this is what we're going to apply our first little effects to. And the first thing I want to do is go to image with our image layer selected and go down to adjustments, and let's find threshold. So once we've found threshold in the adjustments selection, we're going to change it to, you can see like if I change my slider to the left, it's super white areas popping up, but we want to kind of make it where there's a little bit more black than the white areas. So that's good for me. It just depends on what image you're working with. You might want to go back and redo this later if you don't find the final output to your liking. Anyways, let's hit OK. And one more thing we'll go do is apply a filter, and then we're going to blur and find Gaussian blur. This is just, again, your own preference. I'll probably leave mine around like 6.6, I guess. Pixels will be fine. Let's go up to, with our image layer selected, go up to our blend modes, and as you can see, we have a lot of different options right here, but I think I'm going to go with screen. And you can see by selecting the visibility on and off that little glow has been created right there. So that's pretty cool, but let's go ahead and take it one step further by adding a adjustment layer, and we're gonna go with the solid color adjustment layer, and let's go ahead and we'll make it like this reddish color. And finally, we can change that. Actually, let's go ahead and make a clipping mask so that it just applies to the image layer underneath it. So with our red adjustment layer, that solid color layer selected, let's right click it and then go to create clipping mask. So now you can see it's just applying that red to the image horse layer underneath it. So we'll change the blending mode to, I think overlay or soft light would be good. I think soft light's better in this case for me. So just like that, a few quick easy steps, and you've created a film halation effect to your image. So again, you have the before, and that's our original image, which, it's a good image, but then we have our after to create that effect. So you got to see adjustment layers in action, and, messing with the threshold and applying Gaussian blur to create your desired effect. So I hope you liked that tutorial. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.